Today we will be looking at telling the time to 5-minute intervals. Now you already know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour by counting in your fives all the way around the clock. If you're not sure, have a practice of doing that now. We know that the longer hand is the minute hand and the shorter hand is the hour hand. When we look at the first half of the clock, we say that it is past the hour. When we look at the second half of the clock, we say that it is to the hour. Each line on the clock represents 1 minute. We're going to start by looking at past the hour, so this half of our clock. The minute hand tells us how many minutes have passed. Starting on the 12, 0 minutes. It moves to 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. So when the minute hand is pointing at the 1, it is 5 minutes past. Each number on the clock is a multiple of 5. 1 lot of 5 is 5. 2 lots of 5 is 10. 10 minutes past. 3 lots of 5 is 15. We could say 15 minutes past, or we also already know quarter past. 4 lots of 5 is 20. 20 minutes past. 5 lots of 5 is 25. 25 minutes past. And 6 lots of 5 is 30. 30 minutes past. Or we might say half past. These are all times past the hour. We'll look at an example starting from 6 o'clock. The minute hand moves round the clock a minute at a time to 5 past. The hour hand has just moved slightly past the number 6. So we would say this is 5 minutes past 6. This time we'll start at 8 o'clock. The minute hand moves round to the number 4. 4 lots of 5 is 20. So we would say this is 20 minutes past 8. This time we will start at 10 o'clock. The minute hand moves round to the number 5. 5 times 5, or 5 lots of 5, is 25. So we would say this is 25 minutes past. To find out the hour, I need to look at my minute hand. It has gone past the number 10, so we would say 25 minutes past 10. Remember, when the minute hand is in this half of the clock, we would always say it is past the hour. Five minutes past, 10 minutes past, 15 minutes past, or quarter past, 20 minutes past, 25 minutes past, 30 minutes past, or half past. Have a go at reading this time. The minute hand has moved to the number 2. 2 lots of 5 are 10. So we would say it is 10 minutes past 11. You try this one. The minute hand has started at 0 or o'clock and has moved to the number 5. 5 lots of 5. The hour hand has gone past the 4. What's the time? Did you get it? 25 minutes past 4. Now that we've looked at past the hour, the right-hand side of the clock, we are going to look at the other half of the clock, which is to the hour. When we are reading the time to the hour, we can think of how many minutes need to pass before the next hour. Here it is 1 minute to the next hour. 2 minutes to the next hour. 3 minutes. 4 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes to the next hour. So when the minute hand is pointing to the number 11, it is 5 minutes to the next hour. We can continue counting anti-clockwise to see how many more minutes to the next hour. 5 to, 10 to, 15 minutes to, or quarter to, 20 minutes to, 25 minutes to. When we get to 30 minutes, we would say half past. We don't refer to this as 30 minutes to the hour. We would say 30 minutes past or half past. When we are reading to the next hour, we can start from 30 and count down in fives. 25 minutes to, 20 minutes to, quarter to, or 15 minutes to, 10 to, 5 to, o'clock. If we start at 1 o'clock and our minute hand moves around the clock to the number 8, we can count how many minutes to the next hour. Count back from half past 30 minutes in fives to find out how many to. 25, 20. This is 20 minutes to 2 o'clock. Another way to read this time would be to start from 12 and count on in fives. 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 minutes to go until the next hour. The time is 20 minutes to 2. As you can see, the hour hand hasn't quite reached the 6 yet, but that is going to be the next hour. So I'm looking to see how many minutes to the number 6, to 6 o'clock. Pause the video and have a go at reading this time. Remember, our minute hand is in the to section. It's in this half of the clock. So you need to be looking to the next hour. Did you work it out? The time is 5 minutes to 2 o'clock. 5 minutes to 2. Have a go at this one. Look at where the minute hand is. Think about those 2 different ways that you can use to work out how many minutes to the hour. That's right, it's 20 minutes to 4. 5, 10, 15, 20. And my hour hand is almost at the 4. It is 20 minutes to 4. Make sure today when you're doing your activity you are checking whether it is past the hour or to the next hour. You might want to draw a line down the middle of your clock to help you.